Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The Mann assessment of swallowing ability evaluates the functional swallowing status of patients. It assesses oral motor function, the presence of dysphagia, and the risk of aspiration. The tool measures parameters including alertness, cooperation, respiration, cranial nerve function, and oral motor abilities. Its main purpose is to identify patients at risk for aspiration pneumonia and to guide clinical decision-making regarding feeding and swallowing management. The assessment provides a standardized method to monitor changes in swallowing function over time, especially in individuals with neurological conditions such as stroke or traumatic brain injury. The Mann assessment of swallowing ability is indicated for adult patients with suspected or diagnosed neurogenic dysphagia. It is most useful in clinical settings involving stroke, traumatic brain injury, and other neurological disorders affecting swallowing function. The tool provides a standardized bedside evaluation to identify swallowing impairments and aspiration risk. It is frequently applied in acute care hospitals, rehabilitation centers, and skilled nursing facilities. Its sensitivity and specificity have been demonstrated to support clinical decision-making regarding oral intake safety and the need for further instrumental assessment. The Mann assessment of swallowing ability consists of 25 items designed to evaluate swallowing function across multiple domains, including alertness, cooperation, respiration, and oral motor abilities. Each item is scored based on specific observed behaviors or patient responses. Items are structured as direct observations, patient-reported symptoms, or simple physical examinations. Scoring utilizes a combination of binary, ordinal, and categorical response formats, with each item assigned a weighted score reflecting its clinical importance. To perform the assessment, the clinician systematically observes and interacts with the patient, following the standardized sequence of items. For example, the clinician first evaluates alertness and cooperation through observation and patient interaction. Then, oral motor examinations are conducted to assess lips, tongue, and palate function. Finally, swallowing trials are administered using controlled volumes of water or food textures as specified in the protocol. Total scores range from 0 to 100, with higher scores indicating better swallowing ability. A score of 85 or above is generally interpreted as normal or mild impairment. Scores between 65 and 84 indicate moderate impairment, suggesting the need for further evaluation or intervention. Scores below 65 are indicative of severe dysphagia and a high risk of aspiration. Clinicians should interpret scores in the context of patient history and clinical presentation to guide management decisions. The Mann assessment of swallowing ability demonstrates a sensitivity ranging from 0.85 to 0.95 in detecting dysphagia, indicating its ability to correctly identify patients who have swallowing impairments. Specificity values range from 0.6 to 0.8, reflecting its effectiveness in correctly excluding patients without dysphagia. Sensitivity represents the proportion of true positive cases correctly identified, which means that in a clinical setting, if the MASA shows a sensitivity of 0.9, it will detect 90% of patients who truly have swallowing difficulties. Specificity refers to the proportion of true negative cases accurately recognized, so a specificity of 0.7 implies that 70% of patients without swallowing problems are correctly classified as not having dysphagia. These metrics are critical for clinicians when interpreting MASA results to balance the risks of missed diagnoses against false alarms. The Mann assessment of swallowing ability, developed in 1993 by Mann and colleagues, was designed as a bedside clinical evaluation tool to identify dysphagia in patients with neurological impairments. Its initial validation involved a sample of 100 patients with stroke, demonstrating a sensitivity of 95% and specificity of 85% when compared to video fluoroscopy, which is considered the reference standard. Subsequent studies have replicated these findings across diverse patient populations, including head and neck cancer and geriatric cohorts, confirming its reliability and validity. Psychometric analyses have reported high inter-rater reliability, with intra-class correlation coefficients exceeding 0.9 and internal consistency values above 0.8. Additionally, the assessment's predictive validity regarding aspiration risk and pneumonia development has been supported through prospective clinical trials. The accumulation of evidence over the past 3 decades establishes the Mann assessment of swallowing ability as a scientifically supported instrument for clinical dysphagia screening and monitoring. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.